All right, good morning. So let's hammer in the testing of a sump pump. This is very important and it's maintenance to your house and it's not that hard to do. So at a house this today, we've had a ton of rain here in Edmonton. Your sump pump is very, very important. So if you had tested your sump pump, you would know that it no longer functions. Sorry, it's hard to do this at once. This is an item in your house that is designed to help protect your house. So why wouldn't you maintain it? Test it. No. Have a backup, have a spare, have a plan. Be smart, like fellow sheriff folks. Don't forget to get your house inspected.